What's the meaning of anorexia? Anorexia. 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 Anorexia.
Anorexia is a medical condition characterized by an intense fear of gaining weight or becoming fat. It commonly results in a severely restricted caloric intake, leading to emaciation and extreme weight loss. Anorexia can affect individuals of any gender, age, or ethnicity and can result in a number of serious physical and psychological complications. These can include severe malnutrition, organ damage, heart problems, osteoporosis, depression, anxiety, and even suicide. Anorexia has the highest mortality rate of all psychiatric disorders, with up to 20% of individuals dying as a result of complications related to the condition.